Today, y'all, we gonna package up a big order. Y'all, so I've been quiet about a lot that's been going on, but we got a new apartment, so let's go inside. Can't really open it up. Okay, so this is our dining room when you first walk in. And this is my kitchen. I'm loving the view from the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Let's... I'll buy a whole why my lights ain't coming in. I don't know if they... Oh. Okay, so my kitchen light is on the outside. This is my microwave or stove. That's wrong. We have a lot more counter space here than we did at our last place. This freezer is also a lot bigger, and we can open it and open our refrigerator, dishwasher, countertops need to be cleaned, one big sink, which I like too. Again, a lot more cabinet space here, which I appreciate, because y'all know I have really no cabinet space. And then this is our living room. Our living room, and then our balcony with storage. I don't know how I'm gonna set up the living room. This room here is the kids' room. Yes, y'all, we got a 2-bedroom. The kids got their own room. Yes, they do. Yes, yes, yes. This is the kids' room. Everybody has ceiling fans. Oh, they control, so we can control the fans from here. That's pretty cool. All right, AC and stuff is already on. This is the kids' bathroom. They have their own bathroom. I'm just doing like the tour with you guys, and then I'm gonna do my walkthrough. This shower head is cute. I'm gonna let them keep theirs, but I'm taking mine off. And this is their bathroom. Okay. There's a switch back here. I don't know what it's for, so I'm not gonna touch it. And then this is my room. This is my closet. This is my closet. I can fully walk into my closet. This is my bathroom area. So I have, my sink is here near the washer and dryer, which I'm glad it's in my room and not theirs. And then this is my bathroom. Of course, I'm taking that off because I have my own. Yeah, and I don't like that. Like, I'm taking it off. Okay. And we have the same wash and dryer from before, but this one is a lot better looking. Oh, my door. So nice. Yeah, so it's the same wash and dryer we had before. But y'all, I got my own room. But yeah, that's our apartment story.